A survey is often required when data keeping records are non-existent or intermittent. But once it has been surveyed and visualized, then it needs to be maintained. But then it can be used not only to locate cabinets or equipment by manufacturer or type, but also by function, user or network side. Moreover, it can also become the background for overlaying real-time operational information returned by power, temperature, or humidity sensors, for example. So, I can quickly locate which cabinets have servers in them, and which are designated as internal, which are the green ones, or third party, which are the amber ones. I can zoom in to see their labels. And the symbols that display their ID, name, size and status. And when I say select one, say 0205, then I can see the information, the details about it on the right hand side, and I can also have a drill through into its elevation. In this case, I've used colour by value to simply show the position and size of the equipment in the rack, in much the same way that a geographic map only needs 5 colours to avoid having any adjacent region with the same colour. Again, I can see quickly which items are Windows servers, and select an individual equipment item to see its detail on the right hand side.